not in business by yourself.
myself.
Because what's phenomenal is you have a team of people that truly have your interest at heart. Why? Because your interest is our interest.
That's right.
Unlike anything I've ever seen before in the business world, and I'll share a little bit about my background because I was in business before. The job, that full-time job, was actually my own business, right? And I'll share a little bit of that with you and the challenges I had there when I was exposed to this business. But it's very rare to see in business that you have so much support that is sincere about helping you succeed without anything for them. We get nothing directly. Now we get paid from the company, but we get nothing from you. See, when you're in business for yourself, in order to make up for the lack of experience that you might have or the knowledge about a particular industry, you have to hire consultants. You don't have to do that here. You have people that have had tremendous success just giving you of their knowledge, wisdom, understanding, time, experience. So we marry your contacts and credibility with our time and our knowledge. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And we create a big business. We need help. Everybody say we need help.
We need help.